I'm with Beth from Clayzer. Now, when I walked down here, I was expecting bits of clay to hit me in the face, but that's not the case.
No, you're absolutely fine. It's completely safe. So they're real shotguns, deactivated and modified, and they fire a beam of actually infrared light. So, and that hits the clay, it comes back to the gun, works out whether it's hit it, and then it all shows up on the scoreboard that's out in the field. So no, you're completely safe, so no problem at all.
So the benefits to this are it's safer.
Yep, safer. Environmentally friendly.
Less scary.
Absolutely.
Than bringing real guns on.
Definitely. There's no kickback or recoil, so you're not going to get injured by the gun coming back and hitting you. People can have a drink and a party and enjoy it, as opposed to obviously completely and utterly a no-no if you're
that's the last thing that you want at a wedding. Some lady who's had about 15 Prosecco's.
Definitely. Can you imagine? So so most venues are, well, in fact all venues are happy for us to go there. We've had to speak to a few and just tell them exactly what it is we do, because some have never heard of us. It's quite different, it's quite fun, but no, once they understand that it is completely safe, they're all fine with us going there.
And what is the difference between actual clay pigeon shooting and Clayzer? Is it like, does it feel similar?
Yes, it does. Very definitely similar. The clays fly as normal, and the guns are the same weight as a normal shotgun. So you're still seeing it, following it, and shooting at it. You don't lead on the clay, which you do with a normal traditional clay pigeon shoot, because you're waiting for them to meet. Whereas with us, it's a beam of light, so the beam of light gets there instantly. But apart from that, same experience.
Okay, so this is one of the rifles that we use here. So, hey, howdy, cowboy. I feel like I'm in a Western.
Absolutely.
A new 2018 technological Western.
Definitely. And we do get people that love it just for the pictures that it gives them. So it is good fun.
Okay,
Definitely.
so can we come and see your shooting area? So
come on down, yeah.
So we've got some guys and girls here who are already shooting and practicing. Is it obvious who's winning so far? Can we see?
We've got gun 1, gun 2, 3, 4 and 5. So gun 5 on the end here has 33 points.
He's that good that he
was so good.
He turned mid-shot. He's that good. He's like, I am that good. Okay. And so what kind of places would you take this to? Weddings?
So we go to all sorts of events. We go to team building and corporate things. We go to weddings. We go to shows, festivals, parties, literally anywhere where you want something that will bring all your people together, give them something competitive and fun to do.
What about prices?
So prices, you're looking at about $425 to $495, depending on where we are and how long obviously we're shooting. So definitely well within most people's price range for doing an event.
And I think as well the big obvious question is, what do you win if you come first? What's the main prize?
So we have some medals that we always take along. So we always do the top man, the top lady, and if necessary, the top junior. But at the Showman show, we got something very special. So on our table over there, we've got some very lovely glass trophies that we've had done specially. And we're doing the top exhibitor, the top man, and the top lady.
Brilliant, brilliant.
And obviously you can have those for your event as well.
Okay, I would like to have a go, but I think these guys now, they're obviously very busy. They're concentrating, so I will maybe have a shot in a little bit. Yeah.
Well, they've just about to finish. So if you want to hang around.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I think this guy's the winner, isn't he? I think this.
40 points. That's extremely good.
I think we should get his medal. Should we? Should we get his medal? No, or is it a bit early? A bit premature.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
You'll have 2 medals hanging around your neck now. Look at this guy here. Okay, and how did you come up with the concept for this? Were you initially into clay pigeon shooting?
No, I wasn't. It's Chris's business, the gentleman bending down behind us. So he saw this many years ago going on at one of the holiday parks. So he then inquired about it. He bought the system. And then he set it up as Clayzer, and obviously we go out and run events, and we've turned it into this sort of team building, corporate and fun events company that it is.
Right, okay, well, we've talked about it, so I need to do it. I need to take part. Let's go. So what's...
So let me give you one of the other guns, because you've got my display gun.
Oh, right, okay.
Doesn't go with this.
So can you do it while holding a microphone? Can you do it one-handed?
You can try. You can try.
Okay.
So to reload it, you need to go backwards and forwards with the safety catch. And forwards.
You know what men
Find
are
your-
like? Men can't multitask.
I know.
I think I've got
I'm gonna
it.
hold your microphone.
Okay,
for
yeah,
you.
yeah.
Okay. So now you need to tuck it into your shoulder. That's it. Close your left eye. Left eye. Come on. You can do
that's a
that.
good one.
Come on. He can do it, can't he?
No,
He can do
that's
it.
I'm like pretty much blind in my right eye.
So you're going to have to swap and shoot the other side.
So going left-handed.
Yes, that's it. So close your right eye, looking all the way down the barrel of the gun with your left eye.
Where am I pointing at?
Okay, so there is going to be, there's going to be a clay flying in a second. It's going to come out of the trap behind you, fly up into the air and landing on the grass over there.
Right,
Okay?
If I hit this, will you give me 20 quid? Because
Absolutely.
there's
He's
no
not
chance
going
I
to
can
hit it. It's fine. Okay, so if you're ready and looking up to the right. No, reload for me and look up to the right. That's it. Okay, ready and pull. My 20 quid's safe.
I'm absolutely useless. Thank you very much.
You're
Beth.
very welcome. Thank you.
Keep that 20 quid.